Well, Jeremy, what's going on this morning?
Not a lot of anything. So we get here to the consignee. There's about 7 trucks sitting here, and there's normally not this many trucks here, and all the doors are closed. And apparently they have shut off the electricity to this area of town to put in a solar farm over here. It's going to be off for a couple hours, so we're sitting for a couple hours. Well, we were scheduled to pick up here, and that pickup is scheduled for 17 minutes from now, and there's no way we're doing that. I've already informed my fleet manager about the situation here. Kind of a holding pattern now. I don't like to think about it too much because you never know, but they'll give me something, you know. It's part of the job. You're going to sit at some places. If you can let it frustrate you, or you can take it as these things happen in trucking. It's all about your attitude, right? We're going to Jasper. Should be 3 sections of slitted coil.
But typically, though, they're trying to find you somewhere around the area first before sending you out.
Right. So they want to try to get a load as close to you as possible, but there's some other factors that buy into it. So like Wednesday, Thursday, they would weigh closeness compared to which way does this truck need to go to get the driver home. So there's some other factors that they use, and that's not something the truck driver needs to worry about. They need to get with their fleet manager and do that kind of stuff.